U.S. agencies should use advanced technology to identify mysterious drones, Chuck Schumer claims, after weeks of fear and bewilderment among the drones buzzing over parts of New York and New Jersey. U.S. Senator Chuck Schumer is urging the federal government to deploy better drone tracking technology to identify and ultimately stop the airborne pests. The New York Democrat is calling on the Department of Homeland Security to immediately deploy special technology that identifies and tracks drones back to their landing spots, according to briefings from his office. And he's right, of course. Schumer calls come amid growing public concern that the federal government has not offered a clear explanation as to who is operating the drones and has not stopped them. National security officials have said the drones don't appear to be a sign of foreign interference. How would they know, since they don't know anything about them? But anyway, there's a lot of us who are pretty frustrated right now, said Representative Jim Himes, Democrat from Connecticut, the top Democrat on the House Intelligence Committee, on Fox News Sunday. He said the answer, we don't know, is not a good enough answer. In other words, they don't know who's behind them. President-elect Donald Trump posted on social media last week, "Can this really be happening without our government's knowledge? I don't think so. Let the public know, and now. Otherwise, shoot them down." Certain agencies within the Department of Homeland Security have the power to incapacitate drones. U.S. Secretary of Homeland Security Alejandro Mayorkas told ABC's George Stephanopoulos on Sunday, "But we need those authorities expanded," he said, without saying exactly how. "The drones don't appear to be linked to foreign governments," Mayorkas said. Again, how would he know, since he doesn't know anything about them? "We know of no foreign involvement with respect to the sightings in the Northeast, and we are vigilant in investigating this matter," Mayorkas said. Last year, federal aviation rules began requiring certain drones to broadcast their identities. It's not clear whether that information has been used to determine who is operating the drone swarming locations in New York and New Jersey. Mayorkas' office did not immediately respond to questions about whether they've been able to identify drones using this capability. Schumer is calling for recently declassified radar technology to be used to help determine whether an object is a drone or a bird, identify its electronic registration, and follow it back to its landing place. New York Governor Kathy Hochul on Sunday said federal officials were sending a drone detection system to the state. This system will support state and federal law enforcement in their investigations, Hochul said. The governor did not immediately provide additional details, including where the system will be deployed. Dozens of mysterious nighttime flights started last month over New Jersey, raising concerns among residents and officials. Part of the worry stems from the flying objects initially being spotted near the Picatinny Arsenal, a U.S. military research and manufacturing facility, and over Trump Golf Course in Bedminster. Drones are legal in New Jersey for recreational and commercial use, but they are subject to local Federal Aviation Administration regulations and flight restrictions. Operators must be FAA certified. This is from Time on DNYUZ. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support, and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.